We come together from diverse backgrounds and beliefs, united by our commitment to helping others, learning and growing as individuals. Today, before we start our activities, let's take a moment to honor the spiritual traditions that guide us and seek blessings for our journey.
Celebrated on 2nd October every year. He was famously known as Mahatma Gandhi. His official name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India. He was born on 2nd October 1904 in Uttar Pradesh. He completed his graduation from the Kasha Vidyapeeth in 1926.
Wisdom and inspiration.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भूत् मा ते संगोऽस्त्व कर्मणि. 13 to 16. We are like salt for the whole human race. But if salt loses its saltiness, there is no way to make it salty again. It has become worthless. So it is thrown out and people trample on it.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.